How to restore a multi-coin wallet on Trustwallet. Alright. This is me assuming, let's assume you have a wallet that contains coins on the Ethereum network, coins on Solana network, coins on Smart Chain network, and coins on every other network that I'm not able to mention right now. This is how you can restore it. All you need is the 12K recovery phrase that belongs to that wallet, and then you will recover all your coin on that wallet. Let's just go about it right now. So we have to go to our Trust wallet and then open it. If you're wondering what 12K recovery phrase is, 12K recovery phrase is the 12 keywords that were created that were given to you when you created your wallet. So click on this button right here, and I say on that wallet button, then click on that plus sign at the top right hand side. Then instead of creating your wallet, you click on I already have a wallet. Then when you click I already have a wallet, click on multi-coin. After this level, you're not going to see my screen, but I might just use picture to depict what I mean. Okay, multi-coin wallet, tap it and then paste the recovery phrase, which you're not going to see in this video, and then click import. So boom, if that is done right, boom, my wallet has been imported. You could see Smart Chain right there, and then you could as well see Bitcoin, and then you can see Ethereum, and then you can see BNB, Bitcoin chain. So every other network coins on any other network can be added here. Okay, so that's how to import a multi-coin wallet. Please, I believe you enjoyed that video. Please like and subscribe right now for more videos like this. See you in my next video.
One, two, one, two, one, two, one, two.